Hello students, welcome to our new video operation on sets. If you not watched our previous video on sets and types of set, so click on I button and watch the videos. So let's start our topic on operations on sets. So in set theory, the operations of the sets are carried when two or more sets combined from a single set under some given condition. लेकिन operations क्या होते हैं? जब हम लोग टू और मोर थिंग्स को, जो टू और मोर नंबर्स को एक साथ एडिशन करते हैं, सब्सट्रैक्शन करते हैं या उनको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, डिवाइड करते हैं. इसी टाइप से सेट थ्योरी में भी क्या होता है, ऑपरेशंस ऑन सेट मींस दो सेट को जब हम लोग कंबाइन करेंगे या दो सेट को एक दूसरे से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे या एक दूसरे से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एक दूसरे से डिवाइड करेंगे, तो इस टाइप से सेट्स में भी क्या होते हैं, ऑपरेशंस होते हैं. तो कुछ टाइप के ऑपरेशंस होते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज यूनियन ऑफ सेट. ओके, इन दिस we combine two or more sets in a single set, so it is called union of set. Okay, we write it in the formula form. It is A union B. Suppose that A and B are two sets and we want to combine that sets, so we would use to this sign. This is union. Okay, so it is called A union B. Okay, for example, x equal to 1 2 3 4 and y equal to 5 6 7 8. So set x have four elements 1 2 3 4 and set y has four elements 5 6 7 8. So we want to combine that x and y, so we put the formula what is A union B. So we do x union y in the form what is that, this combined the both of the set. So we write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so here it is the value of x union y. Okay, so it is called 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So x and y have four elements and four distinct elements, means no element have common between them, so here it is 8 elements. Okay, now another example. In another example, x and y have two sets and x have four elements 1 2 3 4 and y has four elements 3 4 5 6. But the main thing is x and y have two common elements 3 and 4. Okay, so what we do in x union y, we do x union y, we use that two elements but not repeat that elements. Okay, so we put in x union y is 1 2 3 4 5 6. We do x union y but doesn't repeat the common elements of the sets. Okay, so that is x union y. I hope you understand this. So the next operation is intersection of sets. Okay, so what is the intersection of set? So intersection of set is that a set of common elements of three or more sets in the given question or sum. Okay, so what is common element? Let's we talk about this from an example. Suppose that x and y are two sets and x has four elements 1 2 3 4 and y has also four elements 3 4 5 6. But there are two elements common between them 3 and 4. So the intersection of sets is, and here it is, one thing is main, A intersection B. A intersection B, we write the intersection intersection of sets in this form. Okay, A intersection B, and this sign is called intersection. Okay. So in the set X and Y, the X and Y have 4 elements. Both of them have 4 elements. X has 4, X has 1, 2, 3, 4, and Y has 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 2 common elements between them, 3 and 4. So what we do? X intersection Y. So X, what is X intersection Y? 3, 4. Okay. So in next example, we put X and Y, and also X and Y has 4 elements. X has 1, 2, 3, 4, and Y has 3, 4. Y has 5, 6, 7, 8. So, but the main thing is, there is no common element between them. So, what is X intersection Y? Because there is no common element between them, so we write phi. Phi is used to show that the set has no element, or null or void set. Okay. I also teach in the types of set, so you can see that in previous videos. So we move on to other operation of the set. So the next operation on set is complement of set. So what is complement of set? The complement of set, that a set of those elements which are not present in A but present in universal set. Okay. So here we seen that. So what is universal set? I also tell you what is universal set. Universal set is that the whole properties of the given sets are present in universal set. Okay. So we write that U minus A equal to A dash. So this is called the complement of set A. Complement of A or A dash. Okay. So we understand by it an example. So I write a universal set U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and A equal to a normal set A equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is complement of set A? So in the given formula, U minus A is the complement of set A. So we minus the all element of A to U. So 3, 4, 5, 6 is subtract from the universal set, and what is the remaining elements in set U is 1, 2, 7, 8, and 9. So it is called the complement of set A. Okay. So it is called the complement of set A. Next, so the next operation on set is set difference. Okay. So the set difference is subtraction of 2 or more sets. Okay, or difference of 2 or more sets. But the main thing is, suppose we put two sets A and B. We subtract B from A, so we write that A minus B. Okay. In this subtraction, the result of the operation is that the remaining elements of A is the result of the operation, and if we subtract A from B, so the result of subtraction is the remaining element of B. Okay. So here it is. Understand by an example. So the example is, so we put two elements also from previous example, x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and y equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. If we subtract set y from set x, so we'll write x minus y. So what is the result? So the result is these two elements are to subtract from this set, but the answer is this, the remaining elements in set x. So the answer is 1, 2. But in y minus x. So the answer is the remaining elements in set y. So 5 comma 6. So I hope you understand all these 4 operations on set. I hope you like this video. So subscribe my channel Education Hub. For further educational videos, subscribe my channel Education Hub. Thank you.